Are you looking for top 5 best mechanical keyboards today? I am diving into a hands-on review of top 5 best mechanical keyboards. It's one of the top-rated items on Amazon right now. I'll walk you through the features, share my honest experience. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get future reviews. And let you know if it's really worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 1, AULA F75 Pro. The AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard is a feature-packed 75% compact keyboard designed for both gaming and productivity. It offers tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, making it easy to switch between devices like PCs, laptops, tablets, or consoles with low latency performance. Its 75% layout retains essential keys and arrow clusters while saving desk space, ideal for minimalist setups. The keyboard comes with pre-lubed Reaper linear switches for smooth, responsive keystrokes and a hot-swappable PCB that supports most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches, letting you customize your typing feel without soldering. Durable side-printed PBT keycaps resist wear and allow RGB lighting to shine through beautifully. A multifunction metal knob adds quick control over volume, lighting, and more, while vibrant RGB backlighting delivers a customizable aesthetic. With a large rechargeable battery and sound-dampened gasket structure, the F75 Pro blends performance, comfort, and style for gamers and typists alike. Number 2, Yunzi AL80. The Yunzi AL80 wireless mechanical keyboard is a premium-grade 75% compact board that blends performance, versatility, and style for gamers, creators, and professionals. Built with a full CNC aluminum case and finished in sleek silver, it delivers a solid, premium feel and superb durability. Its hot-swappable, gasket-mounted design provides a soft, cushioned typing experience and lets you easily change switches without soldering, maximizing customization. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C, giving you reliable multi-device support with low latency. A standout smart LCD display adds real-time system info and unique visual flair, while the multifunctional metal knob gives intuitive control over volume, lighting, and more. With QMK VIR support, users gain powerful programmability and macro control on both Windows and macOS. Pre-installed Gateron 0 switches offer smooth, responsive keystrokes right out of the box. With vibrant RGB lighting, robust connectivity, and high-end design, the AL80 is ideal for anyone seeking premium performance and customization in a compact layout. Number 3, RK Royal KLUDGE S98. The RK Royal KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard is a high-performance 96% layout keyboard that delivers the perfect balance of compact design and full-function usability with its 98 keys. Built for gamers and enthusiasts, it offers tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C, for seamless switching between your PC, laptop, tablet, or console. The keyboard features a smart display and metal knob, giving quick access to system info, volume control, lighting modes, and more without extra software. Its hot-swappable top-mount design lets you easily change switches without soldering, perfect for customizing your typing feel. With a creamy, satisfying sound profile and reliable key feel, every keystroke feels smooth and responsive. Software support enables advanced customization of keys, macros, and RGB lighting to suit your workflow or gaming setup. The S98 combines premium features, flexible connectivity, and excellent acoustics in a compact yet capable mechanical keyboard ideal for both productivity and play. Number 4, NUPHY Halo75 V2. The NUPHY Halo75 V2 mechanical gaming keyboard is a sleek, high-performance 75% layout board designed for gamers, creatives, and everyday users who want both style and substance. With 3 connectivity modes, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, it offers seamless switching across devices like PCs, laptops, tablets, and more. Its hot-swappable PCB lets you easily swap switches without soldering, giving you freedom to fine-tune your typing feel. Equipped with Raspberry mechanical switches, the Halo75 V2 delivers crisp, responsive feedback and smooth keystrokes ideal for games and typing alike. The compact 83-key layout saves desk space while retaining essential keys and arrow clusters for productivity. Vibrant RGB backlighting brings rich lighting effects that can be customized to match your setup's aesthetic. A long-lasting battery ensures extended wireless play, and the sturdy build quality adds durability without bulk. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating, the Halo75 V2 blends performance, comfort, and connectivity in a stylish, compact package. Number 5. Keychron Q6 Ultra. The Keychron Q6 Ultra is a premium full-size wireless mechanical keyboard built for enthusiasts, professionals, and gamers who demand performance and versatility. Featuring a durable anodized aluminum frame and sleek black finish, it delivers a solid, refined typing experience with minimal flex. The Q6 Ultra supports 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, so you can easily switch between computers, tablets, and phones with reliable responsiveness. Designed for customization, its hot swappable layout lets you install a wide range of switches without soldering, and it comes equipped with smooth silk POM banana switches for quiet, tactile feedback that suits typing and gaming alike. With an 8 kHz polling rate, the keyboard offers ultra-fast signal transmission for competitive play. Fully programmable RGB lighting and software support give you control over effects, macros, and layouts on macOS, Windows, and Linux. Combining premium build quality, flexible connectivity, and advanced performance, the Q6 Ultra stands out as a top choice for creators and gamers alike.